Equation of motion S is equal to ut plus half at square. Let us consider an object which travels from time t equal to 0 with velocity u. After a time t, its velocity be v and s be the distance travelled by the object with acceleration a. So if we plot the graph between velocity and time, since the object is travelling with constant acceleration in non-uniform motion, the graph is a straight line graph. Now what is the area under the graph? We have plotted velocity along the y-axis and time along the x-axis. The area under the graph is split into two parts. That is, area of the triangle and area of the rectangle. Let us name it. The triangle is A, B, C and rectangle is A, C, D, O. So what about the total area under the graph? So total area under the graph is the summation of area of triangle A, B, C plus area of rectangle A, C, D, O. Now let us find out the area of the triangle and area of the rectangle. So total area under the graph is the displacement. So total area under the velocity time graph is the displacement of the object. So displacement is denoted as S, which is equal to area of triangle ABC, which is half into base into altitude, AC into altitude. Altitude is CB or BC plus area of the triangle ACDO is length into breadth, which is OD into OA, or S equal to half into what is AC? AC is the time taken T and CB. CB is dB minus dC. And we know dB is V, dC is U. So CB must be V minus U plus area of the rectangle, which is OD into OA. OD is T, OA is U. This is equal to half into V minus U into T plus UT. So we got a part of the equation S equal to UT plus half at square. Out of that we got S is equal to UT plus something. Now this something we convert in terms of A. We know V minus U equal to AT. Change in velocity is acceleration into time. Substituting, we can write S is equal to half into AT into T plus UT. which is S is equal to ut plus half at square, which is the equation of motion connecting the displacement, initial velocity, acceleration and time of travel when an object is in non-uniform motion with constant acceleration. Thank you.